Hello students, today we are going to continue with the same chapter. It's good name. Rules are for everyone. See student, boys and girls or man and woman are equal. They must get the same opportunities for development. See the one question girl asking, don't girl need as nourishing a diet as is given to boy? At home they feel only my brother needs good food. It is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food or to prevent them from going to school. Such injustice can also be seen with respect to other sections of society. In the picture, you can see what injustice do you can observe. Rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. See student, each rule has a specific purpose. Some rules have more than one purpose. For example, prohibition against loudspeaker in public place after 10 o'clock at night. Number 2, free primary education for boys and girls. Prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. Protection against domestic violence for women. Ban on child labor. Ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching. We follow many customs and traditions. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives. There are several good customs and traditions in our society. We celebrate festivals together. We welcome guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. They value of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. See student, even so there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. Because of this, a divide has been created in society. It has given rise to inequality. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. The Constitution of Independent India abolished the customs of untouchability many times. Laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. In our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making laws that banned them. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry has been banned by law. Wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some section of societies. They have to access to education, therefore they do not get opportunities of development. They have no means of livelihood, therefore they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. We can only make progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. Caste discrimination gender inequality, and lack of education for women were some of the big obstacles in our society. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajshri Sahu Maharaj, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar treats to get rid of this obstacle. Savitribai Phule had to fight a great battle for women's education. Her colleague Fatima Sheikh provided her with valuable assistance in this fight. See student, the work of all these social workers was instrumental in bringing about positive changes in our society. Protecting our environment. Just as laws as are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the need of our future generations. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. So, the chapter is completed. Thank you.